your lawn is yellow. You know it. Your neighbors know it. The guy who drives past your house every morning on his way to work knows it. And you've been doing the only thing you know how to do. Why is my grass still yellow even though I water it every single day? You've increased your sprinkler time. You've bought expensive fertilizer. You've spent hours dragging a hose around your yard. But somehow, your lawn still looks unhealthy while your neighbor's lawn stays thick, dark green, and beautiful. So what are you doing wrong? The answer might surprise you. Today, I'm going to explain one of the most misunderstood reasons lawns turn yellow, how to identify the real cause, and a simple treatment that may help bring your grass back to life without wasting money on products you don't actually need. And trust me, before you spend another dollar on lawn care, watch this video until the end, because one small mistake could be the reason your lawn never gets green. Welcome back to Backyard Doctor. Let's get started. Why is grass green? To understand why grass turns yellow, we first need to understand what makes it green in the first place. Inside every blade of grass is a natural pigment called asterisk chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is responsible for the rich green color that healthy grass has. But chlorophyll does much more than provide color. It captures sunlight and converts it into energy through a process called asterisk photosynthesis. Without chlorophyll, grass can't make enough food. Growth slows down. The plant becomes weak. Eventually, it begins losing its healthy green appearance. That's why yellow grass is often a warning sign that something inside the plant isn't working correctly. The three most common reasons grass turns yellow: many homeowners immediately assume yellow grass means the lawn needs more water. Sometimes that's true, but not always. In fact, there are three major reasons grass loses its color. Reason number one, lack of water. When grass doesn't receive enough moisture, it becomes stressed. The blades start drying out. Growth slows. Eventually, the grass turns brown or straw-colored. This is true drought stress. If your lawn feels crispy and dry under your feet, watering is usually the correct solution. But here's the problem. Many lawns aren't brown, they're yellow, and yellow doesn't always mean thirsty. Reason number two, nitrogen deficiency. Nitrogen is one of the most important nutrients for lawns. It's essential for producing chlorophyll. When the soil doesn't contain enough available nitrogen, grass cannot produce enough green pigment. The result? The entire lawn begins looking pale green or yellow. This is why many lawn fertilizers contain high amounts of nitrogen. If nitrogen is the missing nutrient, fertilizer often restores the green color within a couple of weeks. Reason number three, magnesium deficiency. Now here's something many homeowners never hear about. At the center of every chlorophyll molecule sits one magnesium atom. Without magnesium, plants struggle to build chlorophyll efficiently. That means even if your lawn has enough water, even if you've already applied fertilizer, the grass may still struggle to stay green if magnesium levels are low. Some sandy or acidic soils lose magnesium more quickly than others, making deficiency more likely in certain areas. How to tell which problem you have. This is where most people make expensive mistakes. Instead of identifying the real problem, they guess. They water more, then they fertilize. Then they buy another product. Instead of guessing, take a closer look. Pull out one blade of grass. Examine it carefully. If the entire blade is evenly pale or yellow, nitrogen deficiency may be the issue. If the lawn is dry, brittle, and brown, water stress is more likely. Some plants with magnesium deficiency can develop yellow tissue between greener veins, although correctly diagnosing nutrient deficiencies can sometimes require a soil test because several deficiencies produce similar symptoms. This simple inspection gives you valuable clues before spending money. Why soil testing matters. Here's one thing that professional lawn experts recommend. Don't guess. Test your soil. A basic soil test tells you soil pH, nitrogen levels, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, calcium, organic matter. Instead of applying products randomly, you'll know exactly what your lawn actually needs. A small investment in testing can save hundreds of dollars over the years. Can Epsom salt help? Now let's talk about the product everyone is curious about. Epsom salt, chemically known as magnesium sulfate. It's commonly sold in pharmacies for relaxing baths. But because it contains magnesium, some gardeners also use it as a supplemental magnesium source. If your soil truly lacks magnesium, applying Epsom salt may improve chlorophyll production and help grass regain healthier color. However, this is extremely important. Epsom salt is not a miracle cure. If your lawn already contains enough magnesium, adding more won't suddenly make it greener. Likewise, if your lawn is yellow because of drought, disease, poor drainage, insects, or nitrogen deficiency, Epsom salt won't solve those problems. That's why diagnosis always comes before treatment. How to apply Epsom salt if you've confirmed magnesium deficiency or your soil test suggests magnesium is low. You can try applying Epsom salt carefully. One common liquid method is dissolving approximately 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in 1 gallon of water before spraying evenly over affected areas. Another method is applying it dry according to label directions and watering afterward. Avoid over-applying. More is not better. Too much magnesium can interfere with the availability of other nutrients over time. Always follow recommended application rates. What results should you expect? If magnesium deficiency was truly the problem, you won't see overnight results. Plants need time. The roots absorb nutrients. The grass begins producing more chlorophyll. New healthy growth slowly replaces yellow tissue. Depending on growing conditions, visible improvement may begin within several days to a couple of weeks. Patience is important. Nature doesn't work instantly. Other reasons your lawn may be yellow. Let's not forget there are several other possible causes. These include compacted soil, poor drainage, lawn diseases, grub damage, improper mowing height, extreme heat, chemical burns, pet urine, shade, poor soil pH. That's why lawn care is about understanding the entire environment, not relying on one product. Simple lawn care tips for deep green grass. If you want a lawn your neighbors admire, follow these habits consistently. Water deeply instead of every day. Mow with sharp blades. Never remove more than 1/3 of the grass height. Feed the lawn according to soil test recommendations. Aerate compacted soil. Remove excessive thatch. Control weeds before they spread. Overseed thin areas during the appropriate season. Healthy lawns are built through consistent care, not shortcuts. The biggest mistake homeowners make. The biggest mistake isn't buying the wrong fertilizer. It isn't watering too much. It isn't forgetting to mow. The biggest mistake is treating symptoms instead of identifying the cause. Yellow grass isn't a diagnosis, it's simply a symptom. Once you discover why your lawn is yellow, finding the correct solution becomes much easier. A beautiful lawn isn't about spending hundreds of dollars every season. It's about understanding how grass grows. When you learn what your lawn is trying to tell you, you stop wasting money, you stop guessing, and you start making smarter decisions that actually produce results. If today's video helped you learn something new, make sure to hit that like button because it helps this video reach more homeowners. And if you're passionate about lawn care, gardening, landscaping, and simple science-backed tips that anyone can use, subscribe to Backyard Doctor and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Every week, we share practical lawn care advice designed to help you grow a healthier, greener yard without an unnecessary expense. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode of Backyard Doctor. Happy gardening